beautiful day in this neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor. Won't you be mine? Please be mine. Hello, Home Warrior Nation. I'm Mr. M, and welcome back to another edition of Physical Education at Home, where today we have another cardiovascular fitness challenge. That's right, it's another dance challenge for you. And today, we're gonna be dancing to the song Pam Pam. That's the title, don't ask me. It's actually pretty popular in Zumba dances. And for this dance, we're actually gonna be doing very basic movement. The goal is not necessarily to learn the dance steps, but to make sure that you're doing them with intensity. When you're moving, don't just move side to side, but we want you to move in a way where you're really getting your heart rate up. Because remember, our goal is to make sure that our heart is getting stronger and staying healthy. So boys and girls, like always, remember, we want you to make sure that you're getting 20 minutes, at least, you can do more, at least 20 minutes of non-stop cardiovascular movement daily, okay? That's dancing, exercising, jumping, etc. So, we're not gonna have a tutorial video like always, because again, the steps are really simple. So now I'm gonna get ready, and now you have to ask yourself the question like always. Are you ready to become the dance champion of your home? And if you are, then come on, let's do this. Let's go! Okay, boys and girls, so for this dance, you once again are gonna need two scarves, two bandanas, anything you can wave in the air. But unlike the other dances, there's no tutorial video because the steps are very simple. So I'm gonna show them to you really fast right now. Basically, there's only a couple of steps, very quick. When we start, basically we're gonna start with the scarves. We're gonna go from one hand to the other hand to both hands. That's pretty much part one, very simple. Part two is simply, I'm gonna go boom, boom, then you're gonna squat down, you're almost creating an arc, and then you're gonna do it again. Boom, boom, and from the other side, again, you're gonna create a rainbow, then, that's it, that's part two, very simple. And there's only one more part, and that part is just when I say dance. When I say dance, you're basically just dancing either in a circle, and if I say reverse, go the other way. And my say side to side, which simply means go to the side, go to the side. If I say forward, obviously, come forward, back. And that's pretty much the whole dance, boys and girls. This is why we don't need to do much more. But now, it is time to get ready for our actual dance. You know what time it is. It is time where we face our fears, where we overcome obstacles, and we remember that hard work always leads to victory. It is time for warrior mode. So let's go. That's better. All right, boys and girls, we are ready for a dance challenge, and it starts right now.
VIP, los reyes de la disco. Oh, 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 oh. Vamos a bailar, vamos a gozar, salsa, sacude, te menea, te. Vamos a bailar, vamos a gozar, salsa, sacude, te menea, te. Y dale pam, y dale pam, y dale pam, para pam, 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 para pam, 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 para pam, 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 y dale pam, y dale pam. Y dale pam para pam 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 para pam 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 para pam pam pam.
Somos los reyes de la disco, ritmos son tumbados, al ritmo de merengue, estamos activados, vamos bacalao, éxito asegurado, ya no tengan miedo, está todo controlado.
Muévete al ritmo de pam pam,
Dale, dale al ritmo de pam pam.
muévete al ritmo de pam pam.
Móvelo así, móvelo así, pero dale rap pam pam.
Vamos a bailar, vamos a gozar, salsa, sacude, te menea, te. Vamos a bailar, vamos a gozar, salsa, sacude, te menea, te. Y dale pam, y dale pam, y dale pam para pam 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 para pam 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 para pam pam pam. Y dale pam, y dale pam, y dale pam para pam 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 para pam 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 para pam pam pam.
Se baila en Colombia y en los 5 continentes, yo traigo pam pam para toda mi gente. Bailar hasta el mismo presidente. Wow, 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 esto se puso caliente.
Side.
Vamos a bailar la salsa, te, vamos a bailar la salsa, te.
Tiene mambo.
Vamos a bailar vamos a gozar, sacude, te, menea, te. Vamos a bailar vamos a gozar, sacude, te, menea, te. Y dale pam, y dale pam, para pam, para pam, para pam, y dale pam, y dale pam, y dale pam, para pam, para pam, para pam. Nosotros somos BIP, Dexter, la escuela musical.
Okay, Home Warrior Nation, and that was our dance challenge of the day. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that next time you can bring a family member to join you and have some fun. But if not, doesn't matter, come right back so you and I can stay fit and grow stronger together. So now it's time to go. But like always, ask yourself the question: are you ready to become the dance champion of your house? And if you are, then come on, let's do this. Let's go.